Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can drop a fruit and grow a garden too. Okay, finally guys, Grow a Garden 2 has been released in Roblox, and there is a new feature. There is a different feature with Grow a Garden 1. In this Grow a Garden 2, we will be able to drop our fruit. Let me show you how you can do that. I'm going to select one of my fruits. I'm going to choose grapes here and let me drop this grape. Okay, this one. And you will see this button, and then you just need to tap on that and it will be dropped like this. Okay, it can be like showcase, and you can drop your fruit anywhere, guys. Outside your garden. You can also drop it outside your garden like this, and you can pick it up. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how we can drop a fruit and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.